Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to log into your cPanel in Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this course, you will learn how to get started with your Namecheap shared hosting, also how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance inside Namecheap. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com. Link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to log in to your cPanel in Namecheap. Login to cPanel in Namecheap is easy. It all starts with login into your Namecheap account, then go to hosting list. Now all you have to do is click on this little button, name it go to cPanel. That's it, you are now inside your cPanel in Namecheap. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.